This is how to connect two lines. The strongest line to line fishing knot there is. To begin, take your main line and double it back, creating a small loop at the end. Now, take your leader and pass it through that loop, taking about 5 to 6 inches through. Then double it back and have it hanging below the standing line. Take your free hand and make a pinch where the lines cross, holding all pieces firmly in place. Once secure, begin to wrap back up the lines for around 8 wraps. As we wrap, we'd just like to say how much we appreciate your support on the videos. We've just started a community subscription on the channel. We'd love for you to check it out. Now, on the final wrap, take the tag end and pass it back through the loop. Once through, wet your knot with saliva or water and pull firmly on all components, bringing the knot together. We hope you enjoyed. Just before you go, we'd again like to say how much we appreciate your support. The likes, comments, and shares help us out more than you could imagine.